Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Cadillac XT4 garage door opener. First, ensure your XT4 is parked safely outside your garage. Next, gather your original garage door opener remote control. Finally, locate the 3 home link buttons, usually found on your vehicle's overhead console or sun visor. This preparation ensures a smooth programming process. Before programming a new code, you should clear any existing home link settings. To do this, press and hold the 2 outer home link buttons simultaneously. Continue holding these buttons until the indicator light above them begins to flash rapidly. This rapid flashing confirms that all previous programming has been successfully erased from your system. Now, let's program your new garage door code. Hold your original garage door remote control 2 to 5 inches away from the home link buttons. Simultaneously press and hold the desired home link button in your XT4 and the transmit button on your original remote. Release both buttons once the home link indicator light flashes rapidly. After programming, press the newly programmed home link button to test if your garage door opens and closes. If it doesn't work, you might need to use your garage door opener's learn or smart button. This step is common for newer garage door systems. Consult your garage door opener's manual for specific instructions on its learn button location and use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.